Today we're gonna switch out the battery Google Nest doorbell. So, the first thing you want to do is turn off the power backyard. This is the breaker. Now we want to turn off the main breaker. Power's off. Now we go to front. Power's off. I want to make sure there's no second power. Alright, we're good to go. So head into the front. But we need a hex key for it.
Where is the hex key? Is it in the drawer or this box in here? Look in this drawer or it's either in this box. Here you go.
We found the hex key. It's gonna take a little while.
Oh. Well, here, wait a minute. You gotta go. Hold on. Hold this.